In this video, we're gonna show you some Mukbang Cringe compilation videos. Hope you enjoy. Is that seafood or what is that? Oh, super crunchy. Oh, that's definitely slurpy squid. Squid's moving. Is he enjoying this? Is that liver? That's not liver, is it? What is that? I don't even know. Oh, jeez. Liquid squid? Liquid. It's from the sea, that's for sure. It's in the ocean. Hey, if you're enjoying this, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. We'd love to see if you can subscribe. Thank you so much. Oh. Is this cringeworthy or not, folks? Alright, what is this insect? If you know what this insect is, please comment below. I want to see what this is. I don't even know what in the world that is. Oh my goodness, raw. This is straight up raw fish. Are you serious? Fried tarantulas. Crispy like chips. I said, these don't look too bad. Wings might not be edible. Alright, this so young girl is really doing something really disgusting. Look at the mouth. The guts are coming out, guys. How could she be doing this to her body? Oh. Comment below if you would eat fried rat. Would any of you actually eat this stuff? And if you have, please comment below to see, is this really good? Is rat really good? You tell me, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. We'd love to join us. These are actually maggots, ladies and gentlemen. And she's eating live maggots. Appetizer, anybody? A thumbs up? Wow. Okay, folks. I don't even know if this is... Who here has eaten cat before? If you have, comment below. I want to know if this actually tastes good. Roasted cat. I didn't know people were allowed to even do this. Alright, this is some northern Thailand cuisine. Looks like a fresh salad, doesn't it? Alright. Oh man, if your stomach's not churning in terms of this frog. I don't know if you've ever eaten fried frog, but it does taste like chicken, so... Subscribe, folks. Like, comment, and share. Thank you so much. Are you serious? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I don't even know what that is. Can somebody even know? Tell me what that is, please. What is that? Please don't say dog. Please don't say that, okay? Do not say dog in the comments. That's a duck. An embryonic duck or something? I don't know, if you're not churning, if this is not cringeworthy. Oh, that was disgusting. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Come back for more. Talk to you soon.